Let us now complete level 2.6 of MTM 2020. Level 2.6 is JCL2. Click on it. It is worth 50 points. Click on here. This is the PDF that we have to download. Download it. Then open it. This challenge has 9 steps. Let's complete step 1. We first have to copy just to job 1 into our JCL dataset. So here is public.jcl. This is just to job 1. Click on it, copy and paste it into our own dataset. Give here paste. Give here name just to job 1. Close and expand again. We will see just to job 1 is here. So step 1 and 2 is complete. Step 3 is we have to open it and then we have to submit that code. So right click and submit job. Job has been submitted. Let's go to the jobs folder. Let's refresh it. Here you can see condition code is 8. That means unsuccessful execution. Then we can go to JES system messages. So in this message it is telling us that a file by the DD name location is missing. So in this JCL there should be one more file which should be called location. So go to just to job 1, add one more line. The file missing was location. So give here location DD DSN. File name should be mtm2020.public.input and then brackets. Then we have to give the correct member name. So go to this PDS public.input. So here is public.input. When I expand it, you will see this is item, this is price, and this is the third dataset location. So I have to give here location. This is equal to share. Make sure you save it by giving Ctrl S. Dataset uploaded successfully. So now this JCL is correct. Now I can submit this again. Job submitted. Let's go to jobs, expand this, and here I can see condition code 0, expand this, and here you can see step was executed, condition code 0. This is the JCL that we submitted. To check the output, go to your output dataset. Here is my output dataset. Close and expand again, and you will see just to job 1 a new member is there inside this PDS, and this is the output of this JCL. Item, price and location. Location was previously missing, that is why the JCL was failing. We added a new JCL step called location, and the dataset was input dataset and in the brackets location member. So the job successfully executed and it created an output like this. Now to complete this challenge, just go to public.jcl and submit the CHK member. Right click, submit job. Job submitted. Then go to your jobs column and here you can see CHK. Click on it. Then open Sysprint and you will see JCL2 is also correct. So we have successfully completed JCL2. So let's go back to our web page. This is my web page. This is the dashboard. If I refresh this, then you will see the challenge is now complete. It is now in the completed tab. You can see here JCL2 is now complete. So 2.6 level is now complete. You can see only 2.7 here. Let's complete 2.7. If you like my videos, then you can support me by buying my mainframe course. After buying this course, you will get 19 hours of mainframe training. This course will teach you COBOL, JCL, vSAM, TSO, ISPF, Unix System Services and CICS. You can watch the free preview before buying my course. Make sure you buy the course using the referral link in the description.